G'day, here's a nice little knobby from Lightning Ridge. Rules in millimetres and the material's been wetted to help show the colours a little bit more. This is pinfire greens, pink through here. Could be a little bit of a gamble, this piece, but it's not $1 million. It could go through there possibly. You won't know until you grind some of the edge around to see if there's which way the colour lays. Unfortunately it's on a lighter base, so it's not going to be super black stone. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. That gives you an idea of what you're looking at. Cheers.